Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the values of k that would make these given trinomials a perfect square. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problems. So let's get started with very first example. And over here we have a trinomial x squared plus 11x plus k, and we want to find the value of k such that this trinomial becomes a perfect square. And we know that a perfect square trinomial will always have a discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So let's go ahead and calculate the value of this discriminant. And for that purpose, we're going to find the values of a, b, and c. And let's compare our trinomial with this given quadratic expression in a standard form. So if we compare these two, we can see that a equals to 1, b equals to 11, and c is k. So let's go ahead and calculate the value of b squared minus 4ac, and we know that our b is 11 and then becomes square minus 4 times a is 1, and c is simply k equal to 0. We know that 11 square equals to 121 minus 4k equal to 0. Let's move this negative 4k on the other side. So we got 121 equal to positive 4k. We are going to isolate k by just dividing by 4 on both sides. So that means our k value turns out to be simply 121 over 4. So thus our k value turns out to be a 121 over 4, and that is our answer. And here is our next example, and we want to find the value of k such that this trinomial becomes perfect square. And we know that a perfect square trinomial will always have a discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Let's calculate this discriminant now. So for that purpose, we are going to find the values of a, b, and c. And now we are going to compare this given trinomial with our standard form of this quadratic expression. And we can see our a is 9, b is negative 30, and c is k. So now we are going to calculate b squared minus 4ac, and we know that our b is negative 30, and then we're going to do the square minus 4 times a is 9, and c is k equal to 0. Let's simplify this thing. Negative 30 squared is same as 900 minus 36 k equal to 0. Let's move this 36k on the other side. So this simply becomes 900 equal to positive 36k. Let's isolate k by dividing both sides by 36. So that means k turns out to be simply 25. So thus our k value turns out to be 25, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do these problems on your own now? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.